Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll be filming another collective haul, summer haul, because I have some fun summer pieces to show you. We have a big Hermes unboxing, then I have some Dior, Chanel, Louboutin, Celine. So if you're interested, keep watching. I have so many goodies to show you in today's video, and also if you're not already following me on my Instagram, this is my Instagram here. I would love to see you there. I show you my new purchases, how I style them, I show you my daily outfits on my stories, so come say hello. Okay, let's get started. I'm so happy that today I'm partnering up again with Luisa. They are kindly part sponsoring this video, so thank you so much. I love that they're a sustainable brand. I really appreciate what they do for the environment. You know that all their pieces are made from noble materials, so I really love working with them. They have beautiful pieces. They have pieces ranging from only $39, and they also have fine jewelry pieces with diamonds, so there is something for everyone. They make great gifts as well, and they're really good quality. Today I'm gonna show you the new ones that I'm wearing, actually all of them. I picked up 3 new pieces, and I bet for a second you probably thought I was wearing a new watch, but actually this is one of the new pieces. It is this gorgeous bracelet. It does resemble a Rolex watch actually, so it looks like you're wearing a super expensive gold watch. It is such a lovely design, so I really like it, and it definitely catches your eye because people would think, oh, she's wearing a watch. Also, I picked up this super adorable necklace. You guys know that I love their necklaces because they're so dainty and beautiful, and I love stacking them. So yeah, this is super cute. I also have a matching pair of earrings from Luisa with pins, so I can match them, and yeah, I love that. Pins as necklaces are also very trendy this year, so definitely check them out. They have a nice selection. And I'm also wearing probably one of my new favorite rings. This style of rings, like the crisscross rings, they were quite trendy, I would say a few years ago, but to me they're very timeless designs, and I love again how dainty and beautiful this is. You can stack it with other rings. The crystals are so sparkly in the sun. It looks like a high jewelry piece. It is so beautiful, and I did wear this recently in one of my previous videos, but I wore it on my thumb, and it actually looks really nice on my thumb as well. So yeah, it looks so cool. So yeah, these are the pieces that I picked up, and also I'll make sure I link everything down below in the description box. They're currently running their summer sale throughout the month of August, so make sure you check them out because you can save up 20% on all these pieces. Okay, what should I start with? I think I'm gonna start with Dior because I'm wearing Dior, okay? So I picked up well, 2 items, but one of them was a free gift, so let me start with this. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what this is because I showed you this on my Instagram and I asked you how do you guys like it. So many of you messaged me that I need this, so I went back and picked it up. So it is ta-da-da-da! This stunning hat from Dior. So I actually saw this straw hat maybe over a month ago, but it had the blue, classic blue Dior embroidery band instead of this one. I didn't even think of buying it. I didn't even think of asking if it came in other colors. So about 2 weeks ago, when I was browsing again in Selfridges, I saw 2 new straw hats. One of them was this one, and the other one was the visor with the grey. If I find the clip, I'll make sure I insert it here, or I'll actually link the video, the shopping vlog, because I do have a shopping vlog from that day. So yeah, when I saw this one, I was like, oh my god, I have to try it on because this pink embroidered band will match perfectly with my Lady Dior, and I was right. It is such a perfect combo. I'm gonna try them on together so you can see. It is not as harsh. I do really like the blue one, but I feel that for summer this is a bit more neutral, and the embroidery is not as harsh as the blue one, the navy blue one. This was quite pricey for a straw summer hat that I can basically only wear in the summer, and we don't have much summer here in the UK, so yes, it was quite pricey. However, this free gift made it a bit easier to swallow the price tag, because this freebie is probably one of the best free gifts with purchases I have ever seen. Just wait until you see. It is this Dior. It was from the Dior Riviera collection. Look how stunning. This came in blue, the classic Dior blue, navy blue, and red, and I'm actually really glad that Alex gave me the red one, because I think I prefer the red one for summer. Imagine this on the beach. Oh my god, it is actually very big. It is probably the size of a book tote, I would say, and it has a longer straps, so you can put this over your shoulder. And I actually have two more bags that were free gift with purchase, but they were quite small and they don't fit as much, whereas this, as you can see, is quite big, so perfect as a summer holiday bag. You can even travel with this one. I'm not sure how durable it is, but definitely it will be perfect for the beach. Next, I'm gonna unbox this Hermes. It comes in this box, and we have, this is probably one of my most favorite purchases from Hermes, I'm not gonna lie. I think you're gonna love this as well, okay? So let me open it up. Inside we have dust bags, so you can tell that it is a pair of shoes. So in this dust bag we have spare laces, and we have, oh my god, look at these. Look at these stunning trainers. Let me remove this. Oh my god. May I present you my newest, most favorite pair of sneakers that I own. That is a big statement, because I have some beautiful sneakers, but these are probably my top pair of sneakers that I own. I find them so beautiful. These are a new release from Hermes and they're super hard to get. They put me on the waiting list, so I had to wait. I think I waited about 2 months to get them, but it was so worth it. When they called me they've arrived, I ran to the Hermes boutique to pick them up, and as soon as I tried them on, I was just so in love. They're so comfortable. They're very pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but everything Hermes is very pricey. So these were, I think, exactly £1,000, but the attention to detail, the quality, the comfort, oh my god, these are so comfortable. So you can see the sew here with the H detailing. I'm gonna insert some close-ups. Also at the back you can see the Hermes writing. On the bottom, when you walk, you can actually see this bright orange Hermes writing at the bottom. It is such a nice detail. And the Kelly buckle, you can actually open it up, but it is a bit pointless. Oh yeah, actually I just noticed there are stickers that I have to remove. I know it's not recommended to keep the sticker on the hardware for too long, so I have to peel it off. Did you guys see that these also have rose gold hardware, which I think looks so beautiful against the white sneaker? I mean, these are everything, okay? These are so beautiful. These are called the day sneaker. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, and they run true to size. I got these in size 38.5, and I'm actually really happy that they come with rose gold hardware, because I can match them with my new Chanel rose gold classic flap. In case you've missed my unboxing, I'll make sure I link it above, and they are so perfect for summer. However, I must say I am dreading going out with these in case it starts raining or they get dirty, because they are so white and beautiful. I just want to display and look at them somewhere, but I might end up getting another pair, because I know these will probably get dirty quite quick, because they're so white, but love them. Moving on with my favorite Chanel. So here I have You probably know, again, if you've been following me, if you watch my channel, you know what this is. It is another pair of shoes. I didn't ask for a box. I stopped asking for boxes. I don't need any more boxes. I'm full with Chanel packaging, boxes, ribbons everywhere, so I said no boxes. But these are a new release. I found them. I found these stunning sandals from the new 21B collection, the pre-fall winter act 1. These are them. You guys know that I've wanted these. I tried on the leather style, but I definitely wanted this fabric gross grain style with the crystals. I think they're cuter and they're so comfortable. They are lined. The sole is actually velvet, so it feels super nice when you put your feet inside. This will probably be the newest, hottest style of shoes this season. I'm sure they will be. They're already quite popular. And they also come with a chunkier sole. I think the leather styles come with a much chunkier sole. I'm not sure if the fabric style, I have to double check, comes with a thicker sole. Maybe they do. But I wanted the lowest sole because I'm already quite tall, so I didn't need them for height. But yeah, these are perfect, and I definitely prefer this style of sandals, sandals. I don't even want to call them sandals. They do give me sandal vibes, but much more elegant because they're slimmer. Yeah, they definitely look much nicer. They don't look as ugly as the sandals, although I'm not gonna lie, I was considering getting the sandals, and I'm really glad I waited. These just stole my heart. They are true to size. Actually no, they run slightly big. I got size 38 and I'm normally 38.5 in Chanel shoes. They have a rubber sole with a Chanel, can you see the Chanel logo? So maybe if you use these on the beach, on the sand, they will leave Chanel little stamps on the sand. And these were quite pricey. I think, I don't have the receipt here, but they were, as far as I remember, £1,200. Next from Chanel, it is something small, but I couldn't show you this in one of my previous videos, so I decided that I'll just include it here. It will be very quick. I finally got this. It arrived the other day. I told you I bought this from eBay because it was completely sold out and I couldn't get my hands on one brand new from the store, so I did pay double. But it is so beautiful. This is from the Chanel Factory No. 5 Factory collection, which celebrates 100 years of Chanel No. 5. I got a few more products from that collection that I already showed you in one of my previous videos, so I'll make sure I link it above again if you are interested and want to check it out. And I just had to get this. You guys know how much I love Chanel. I love collecting these kinds of pieces. To me, this is a collectible item. I love it, and it is glass. Can you hear? It is glass. So yeah, this will be great for traveling. I love it. My battery died early and I couldn't finish filming this unboxing, so it's now quite late. But let's continue. The next item that I want to show you is from Celine, and it is, if you follow me on Instagram, I think I uploaded a picture recently. I picked up this super hot and trendy bralette. It's like a sports bra. It comes in the cutest little see-through bag that you can wear to the beach. You can use as a makeup bag for traveling. And I ordered this from the Celine website, and this is it. This comes in different colors. I picked up the classic black. So yeah, it is just a really good quality sports bra with a Celine writing. It's quite stretchy. I got mine in size medium. To be honest, I could have gone for a large as well because I have a bigger chest, but it was so hard to find. It was always sold out, and as soon as it came in stock, I snapped it up from the website because I knew it was gonna sell out again, so I didn't want to wait in case I missed out. This will be so easy to style. I can wear this with shirts. I will style it up so you can see, but with plain white shirts or black shirts, with very high-waisted leggings and jeans, or you can create an evening look. Just put on a very high waisted pair of trousers or jeans and throw on a nice blazer, and this would work as an evening piece as well. I know it's quite sporty, but you can make it work as an evening piece as well. Last but not least, we have Louboutin Beauty. I remembered that I never showed you the beautiful eyeshadow palette that I got from the event, so I'm gonna insert some close-up pictures so you can see. It came with this beautiful case. This will be great for traveling. You can put one of your refills inside, you can store your palette, or this will be also a great case for jewelry. When you travel, you can keep your jewelry in here, and I love that it's this bright red patent, and the zipper is so cute. It has a Louboutin shoe. This is the beautiful case. You have to purchase this separately. It comes in red and black. There is a mirror, and these palettes are refillable. So there is a face palette. This is a blush, 2 blushes, and a beautiful highlight shade. And look at the eyeshadows. How stunning. These colors are beautiful. There are 3 different eyeshadow palettes and 3 different face palettes. These colors are perfect for an evening look, everyday look, very neutral. I love them, and they're very pigmented. The formula is really amazing. So let me put one in here and show you how it looks. Okay, so this is the beautiful face palette in the case. Look how stunning. Wow, isn't this the most luxurious beauty packaging you have seen? Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's collective haul. Anna Luisa, they're currently running their summer sale throughout the month of August, so make sure you check them out because you can save up 20%. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.